online classes of English. I hope you all are taking full advantage of these online classes and regularly updating yourself with your studies. I am glad to see your homeworks of English 1 and English 2 as well, which you have sent me in WhatsApp. And today we are going to learn English 2. Okay? In last videos of English 2, you have already learned 2 chapters. That is, first one the alphabets and second chapter articles. Right? And today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 3, the sentence. Okay? So, before we start our new chapter, let me tell you what is a sentence. See here. What is a sentence? A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. That means a group of words must be meaningful. Okay? It makes some sense, so then only we can say it is a sentence. While making a sentence, you need to keep some points in your mind. Okay, so these are the points I have written here. See, first one is a sentence always start with a capital letter. Okay, that means the sentence, the first letter of that sentence should be a capital letter only. Okay, second one is it always ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation sign. Okay, this is exclamation sign. It always ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation sign. And third one is all the words should be in a proper order. Okay, so these are the points you need to keep in mind while making a sentence. Now let us see some examples. First example is I love my family. Here the sentence starts with a letter I, which is capital, and ends with a full stop. Okay, and the sentence is I love my family. It makes some sense. So we will put a right mark that this is a sentence. Okay, second one is and they. And see here, first letter is not capital and they, no full stop, nothing is there, and this sentence is also incomplete. Yes, and they, it does not make any sense. So we will cross it out. Yes, next is Rani is my best friend. See here, Rani, R is capital, the first letter of the sentence, and it ends with a full stop. Rani is my best friend. That means the girl Rani is her or his best friend. Okay, it makes some sense. So we will put a right mark here. Next one is playing children's are the. Okay, it starts with a capital letter. Playing children are the, but it does not ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation sign. Okay. Playing children's are the, it does not make any sense. Okay, this sentence does not make any sense, so we will cross it out. So this way you have to understand which one is a sentence and which one is not a sentence. Okay, let us see some more examples.
For example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Sania is good at drawing. So in the first sentence, the first word T is capital and there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. In the second sentence, the first word is starting with capital S and ends with a full stop. Now let us do one exercise. Tick the ones that are sentences and cross out those that are not. Number 1. There are many books in the library. So these group of words makes sense and expresses some thought. So this is a sentence. Number 2. Ben has a pet dog. These group of words also make sense. So this sentence is also correct sentence. And they. These group of words does not make any sense, so we will cross it out. Next one, Jane is my best friend. These group of words also make sense, so this is a correct sentence. The next one is sharp. Here the first letter is small and there is no full stop, so this is not a sentence. Next one, playing children are the. These group of words does not make any sense, so this is not a sentence. The last one, apples are sweet. These group of words make sense, so it is a sentence.
Now let us see our exercise question. It is given in page number 11 in your test book. Page number 11, put a tick against those which are sentences and a cross against those which are not. Okay, you have to put a tick mark, right and wrong. Okay, so first question is, Rohan loves to play. Rohan loves to play. R is capital, it ends with a full stop, and this sentence makes some sense that Rohan loves to play. So we will put here tick mark. Yes. Second one is, it is cold today. It, I capital, ends with a full stop, and it makes a sense that today is a cold day. It is a cold today. It is cold today. So we will put tick mark. Question number 3. Live in a house. Okay. Does it make any sense? Or it doesn't? It is not starting with the capital letter. No full stop is there. And the sentence is also not making any sense. So we will cross it out. Fourth one. The girls are playing with the ball. T capital ends with a full stop. The girls are playing with the ball. It makes a sense. So we will put a tick mark. Fifth one, was very proud. It does not make any sense. So we will cross it out. In the morning. No capital letter, no full stop, and the sentence has no meaning in it. In the morning. So we will cross it out. Like this, you have to solve the questions in your notebook. Okay, and test book also. Now see next question. Rearrange each group of words to make a complete sentence. Okay, it is given in page number 12 in your test book. So here are some group of words which are not in a proper order. You have to rearrange it and make a complete sentence. Okay. So how to make it? See here. First one, my beautiful is dress. Okay. So it doesn't make any sense. How you will write it to make it a meaningful sentence? M capital. My dress is beautiful. Okay, my dress is beautiful. Starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. My dress is beautiful. Now it makes some sense, right? So this way you have to make a complete sentence. Okay, second one, their months, year, in are 12. Okay, so make a complete sentence. T capital. There are 12 months in a year. Full stop. There are 12 months in a year. Okay. Third one, the stars at night twinkle. Capital letter. Always starts with the capital letter. The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. Full stop. Ends with a full stop. Last one, the children in the park playing are. starts with a capital letter. The children are playing in the park. Now it makes a complete sentence and it makes a sense that the children are playing in the park. Okay, so like this you have to rearrange the words and make a complete sense or a complete sentence. Okay, one more question is given in your textbook. Match these sentences with the correct picture. Okay, in page number 12 only, this one. So, here some sentences are given and pictures are also given. You have to see which sentence is relating with which picture, and after that you have to write the number of that sentence in the circle which is given in front of the picture. Okay. Okay, first question is the baby is crawling. See the picture where is the baby crawling and write the number 1 in front of that baby. Okay. Second one is the Taj Mahal is in Agra. See where is the Taj Mahal given and write in front of that Taj Mahal. Question, answer number 2. Okay. Next is there are many flowers in the vase. Find out vase picture and write the number. Maya is sleeping. I have a big car. The clown is smiling. So this question is your homework. You have to just see the picture and write the number of that sentence in front of the picture. Okay, so many circles are given here. 6 questions are there. 6 circles are also given. You have to just write the number. So this question is your homework. Okay. I hope you all have understood this chapter of the sentence and do all the homeworks and send it to me. And till then, do very good care of yourself and have a good day.